Cardiac care. Cardiovascular diseases are conditions caused usually due to narrowed or blocked blood vessels that lead to heart attacks, chest pain, or strokes. Other heart conditions, such as those that affect your heart's muscles, valves, or rhythm, are also considered heart disease. Heart failure may be due to heart defects, cardiovascular disease, valvular heart disease, heart infections, or cardiomyopathy. Treatments for cardiovascular diseases can differ by the types of their conditions. At Oxymed hospitals, the whole approach is novel. With high success rates and painless treatments, Oxymed has treated over 6,000 patients without any surgery. Oxymed hospitals cater to heart patients using techniques like EECP, chelation, and ozone therapy. These treatments are non-invasive by nature. The Enhanced External Counterpulsation (EECP) uses advanced medical equipment for non-invasive treatments for refractive angina and heart failure. This unique method offers relief from anginal pain, improves breathlessness, and enhances blood flow. Chelation therapy enhances the flow of blood all over the body, thus improving health. It not only reduces blockages from the arterial blood vessels, but also restores blood flow in atherosclerotic regions. Patients who probably would have had to undergo surgical intervention get cured. Oxymed Hospitals offers the best chelation therapy throughout India. Ozone therapy cleans tissues and also nourishes them, enabling the patient to regain good health. Oxygen reaches deprived body tissues with the help of this therapy. Ozone therapy has been very effective in treating heart diseases, cancer, Parkinsonisms, and high levels of infections. A word of caution from Oxymed. Heart ailments are ranked the topmost killers nationwide. Lifestyle changes can change your style of life. Learn to live free from heart diseases by leading clean and pure lives. Oxymed Hospitals, no pain, no hole, no surgery, because we care.